Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make upma. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 1/4 cups of hot water, 1 cup of coarse semolina or Sooji, 1 small onion chopped, 1 sprig of curry leaves chopped, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 2 cloves of thinly sliced garlic, 1 small piece of finely chopped ginger, 1 large chili chopped, or you can add it according to your taste, 1 tablespoon of ghee, or you can use butter, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Take a pan, put it on medium heat, add oil and ghee and heat it for 30 seconds. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add onions, curry leaves, chili, garlic and ginger. Give it a mix and cook it for 2 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add semolina, mix it well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring it continuously. Add hot water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well, put a lid on and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, give it a mix and continue stirring until it thickens slightly and turn the heat off. My upma is ready and you can serve it warm or cold with some tomato chutney. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.